Alright, good morning. It's a Monday, starting the new week. Today I'm pretty excited. I got an install, a Wifey Air install that I'm going to do today, and it's on a Ram Rebel. It's my first time on the Rebel, so I got to figure out where to mount the Schrader valves. So the truck belongs to Roaming Lost, Kingston. He'll be here shortly, and we'll figure it out. All right, Roaming Lost, Ram Rebel, here for a Wifey Air system. Let's bring it inside, get some shade. Okay, so you can't really put the air chucks, the Schrader valves in the wheel well because it's all plastic. There's nowhere to mount it. So I think we are going to put it right there for the front. And in the rear, we're going to put it right there. Okay, so I added a little bit of Loctite on the thread, put the nut in, and just tighten it down. Not too tight because the thread strips easily. Alright, driver's side. Let's see how it is. Now let's drill a hole in here. Okay, so here's the other end of the Schrader valve. So what I'm going to do is take my hose and push it in. The quick connect until it locks into place. So there's a hose, have a zip tie there, zip tie there, zip tie there, and the other end right here. I'm going to connect it to a splitter. So I got both Schrader valves hooked up to the splitter. Now I'm going to take a hose and run it all the way to the back of the vehicle. Hose going to the rear of the vehicle. Right there, zip tied. It's gonna go all along the frame. So in the rear, drill the hole right there. Gonna make it a little bigger. I got this side already marked down. I got a drill hole in there. Add a little bit of Loctite. Get your tool and tighten it. And so I got the hose plugged in to the Schrader valve. Zip tied it all along here, as you can see. I got my splitter right there. The other end goes to the Schrader valve. And I'm running the hose to right here. So this hose goes to the back, this hose goes to the front, then I'm going to run it up there into the opening in the bed of the truck. Okay, so this is the hose that's coming from the front, going into the splitter. This hose right here is coming from the rear into the splitter, and this hose right here is going up into the bed of the truck. So now all the hoses underneath are all plumbed. Now I just got to go back and cut off all the zip tie ends, but I'll do that last, so it gives me a chance to go through all the hoses one more time. Okay, so I got the hose coming from the bottom, it's going into here. I already assembled the manifold, so this is a 3/8 quick connect fitting, the pressure relief valve, the sliding valve, pressure gauge, and the ball valve right here. This is where we're gonna connect the hose from the air compressor into here, and this is gonna control the air on, off, just like that. All right, they're all plugged in. Let's tear it down. Now you gotta put the valve open. There you go. I can't put that in the video yet, right?